I am here today on the ever popular Harrow Road in Hempstead. It's tucked away and it is a real little gem of a road. It's quiet, safe and offers security, and every property is completely unique. There's a real sense of community, and that is what makes this road so desirable. Now this really is the never-ending property. Follow me. So I am here in this luxurious kitchen breakfast room, which really is the heart of this home. But not only do you have this, you have a spacious lounge diner, a study, a dining room, a utility room, a downstairs toilet, and that's just the ground floor. The location is just family perfect. At the top of Harrow Road you have a co-op, pharmacy, public house and a very popular Indian restaurant. You're also walking distance to the Hempstead Infant and Junior School, both offering good Ofsted reports. You also have the Busy Bees Nursery and Hedgehogs Preschool and Forest School. To the first floor, you've got 4 double bedrooms, all of which have fitted wardrobes. You also have to the master bedroom an ensuite shower room, and you have a family bathroom. What I love most about this property is the storage. There is storage everywhere. So if you like a cupboard, you're going to have plenty. So the 2 front bedrooms overlook the gorgeous green area that we have outside. Just take a look at that. Imagine if you've got dogs or young children, you literally just need to open the front door and you're in the park. This is the garden, and we have a large patioed area which goes around the corner as well. An array of flowers and shrub borders, and a lovely grassed area to enjoy. So not that you need to extend the never-ending property, however, if you wanted to, look at this. To complete this gracious executive detached home is this double garage and driveway for 2 to 3 cars. So if this looks like the house of your dreams, give me a call on the number below and I'll arrange your tour. I'm just off to ring my husband now.